Hello beautiful people, good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you're watching me, and you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia. If today is your first time of seeing my face, thank you, welcome. I'm a Nigerian who lives here in South Africa with her family. I make various contents, very interesting, important contents. You can look around my channel and you see something you would like to watch, and if you don't mind, please hit on the subscribe button. It's just a click away from you. That's where you'll be subscribed to this channel, and when you do, hit on the bell sign. That's where you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, yes, so in today's video, it's going to be a collaboration with my sister and friend Chima Francheri. Yes, if you do not know Chima, she is also a Nigerian YouTuber who is based here in South Africa, and she's also in Nigeria, so she is my sister. Okay, so yes, we are going to be discussing on the same topic. We do not know what each other has to say. It's going to be a surprise for both of us. So when you're done watching this video, please feel free, run to her channel and go and watch her video. Also support her. Okay, yes, in today's video we are going to be discussing the topic, the real reason why Nigerians migrate, relocate to other countries, other African countries, other European countries, America, Canada, Australia, South Africa, Senegal, Ghana, and everywhere that we go to. The real reason why we relocate. Okay, so why I decided to make this video is because on my comment section I always have this question. So why is it that Nigerians always relocate? Why is it that you guys always leave your country? Why is it that you guys are always migrants? So yes, in today's video I'm going to be answering all those questions, so just keep watching. Okay. The first reason why I think Nigerians relocate to other countries, including other countries that I've mentioned, Africa and European and American countries, is for greener pastures. Yes, I wouldn't say Nigeria is poor. No, I wouldn't say Nigeria is a poor country, but obviously because of bad leadership, bad government, there are no jobs, scarcity of jobs, and so the average Nigerian has it in mind that, okay, if I go to another country, I'll be able to probably find a better life out there, find a well-meaning job, and so on and so forth. So the search of greener pasture, I would say, is the first reason why Nigerians always relocate, migrate out of Nigeria and become migrants in other countries: China, America, South Africa, Zimbabwe. I don't know if they go to Zimbabwe, yeah, but everywhere in the world, yeah, you see Nigerians. The second reason why I think Nigerians always relocate out of Nigeria and go to other African countries and America, US, Canada, UK, everywhere, is because of insecurity. Yes, the issue of insecurity is becoming a rising concern in Nigeria presently. Boko Haram, you hear Fulani herdsmen, you hear a lot of things that has to do with insecurity. So the average Nigerian probably thinks, okay, fine, if I live with my family, I'll probably, be safe or something like that, or I'll probably find a good job and all that. So I think it's also another reason why Nigerians relocate out of the country. But I also want to say that these are all my opinions. You can tell me what your opinion is on the comment section, and please be respectful with your comments, because if you don't put comments respectfully, YouTube has this system where they take unwanted comments to the spam section. I won't even see it, other people won't see it. So just be respectful with your comments if you want your voice to be heard. Okay, I also want to chip in out there that before you migrate as a Nigerian or whichever country you're from, make sure you do your research. Not all countries actually have those greener pastures you think they have. Not all countries are actually safe and secured. Not all countries have jobs for you. So before you migrate, please make sure to do your research and know that the country that you're going to is the right country for you. The third reason I would say that Nigerians relocate out of Nigeria and go to other countries is for better education. Yes, most people that relocate out of Nigeria that go to the US, UK, Canada, Australia, you come to study. Yes, most people first of all leave Nigeria to probably get a better university education or postgraduate education, and probably some of them end up going back to Nigeria and some of them end up not going back to Nigeria. So yeah, education is another thing that brings Nigerians out of Nigeria and go to other countries. Yeah, the fourth reason why I think Nigerians always relocate to other countries is because of basic amenities. Okay, they are actually in search of basic amenities, basic infrastructures. Okay, like you all know, if you don't know, yeah, Nigeria is a country that has potentials, but there are no good amenities at the moment. Things are dilapidating. There are no good roads. You know, people are always in a car accident. There are no good hospitals in case you have really serious issues. There's issue of electricity, water, and all that. So most Nigerians feel as though that, okay, fine, if I go to the US, if I go to Canada, I will have basic amenities and basic infrastructures to better my life and that of my family. So that is another reason why I think Nigerians always relocate in search of basic amenities. Our amenities in Nigeria is really something else. The schools are going down, university especially, hospitals, most things are really, you know, not up to standard at the moment. So yeah, that is the reason. In case you've been asking me, on the comment section, here you have the reasons. The sixth reason why I think Nigerians always relocate to America, Canada, Australia, different countries, including African countries, is to secure the future of their children. Most Nigerians would want to go abroad to give birth to their children. Most want to go to US, especially those abroad countries that give citizenship like US, Canada. You know, they want to secure the future of their children. They feel as though that if my child is an American citizen and a Canadian citizen, they will probably have life better and all. Another reason is securing the future of their children. Some that did not even give birth to their children can migrate with their children for their children to have better life than they did have in Nigeria. Better schools, better roads, better amenities, better opportunities. Yes, that is another reason why Nigerians always migrate to other countries. Another reason, which I think is probably the seventh reason why I think Nigerians always relocate to especially Europe, America, and Canada, is the American dream. Like, that's what you call the American dream. Like, everybody out there growing up, you want to go to America. Yeah, you want to go to America. You hear America is good. You hear that like the white man's country is good. Europe, Canada is good, and all that. We have that dream. Most people have that dream. You want to go and fulfill that dream. That is why Nigerians relocate, to get the American dream, to have those good things of life. Just the dreaming of wanting to go. Just because I dreamt I want to live. Some people that live Nigeria actually have good jobs, like well-paying jobs. I know my sister, when she relocated, they were paying her mega money in the bank and all that, including a lot of people that even you see them, they work in the oil company, but they have that dream, American dream, Canadian dream, UK dream to leave Nigeria. So that dream is part of the reason for relocation. And the last reason why I think Nigerians always relocate to other countries, other African countries, which can include different African countries. Ghana is there, Senegal is there, South Africa is there, America, Europe, Asian countries as well. Why Nigerians relocate generally is because of the population of Nigeria. Nigeria is highly populated with the population of over 2 million people. So I did my research and I found out that relocation is something that is common with countries that are highly populated like Nigeria. Look at China. China is the most populated country in the world, and they relocate a lot. You will see everywhere, every country you go to, they are Chinese. Hence we have the COVID, Chinese. Look at a country like India. India is highly populated. They are everywhere. Look at a country like Pakistan. Pakistanis people are everywhere. They're highly populated. Mexico, you go to America, half of America are Mexicans. They migrate a lot. So Nigeria, I think, is, if I stand corrected, correct me if I'm wrong on the comment section, is the 6th most populated country in the world or thereabouts. And correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but I know Nigeria is one of the most populated country in the world, and people that come from countries that are well populated always see themselves relocating for some reason, for the fact that some people are Nigerians but they are born in America, in Canada, Australia, different places, but they are originally Nigerians. So it's a normal thing for a country that has a lot of population. The indigenous just scatter all over the place, all over the world. Yes, that is the end of this video. That is my own opinion why Nigerians always migrate, including myself and every Nigerian that is all over the world. If you have any opinion about this, kindly say it on the comment section. Tell me if you're a Nigerian, why you migrate or why you would want to migrate. And like I always say, before you migrate, please make sure to do your research in case you want to migrate. Not all countries are suitable for you as a Nigerian, and yes, do your research and make sure that the country is good for you. And while you migrate legally, migrate with the right standing, okay? And as you migrate as well, make sure that you do the right thing in your host country, okay? Yes, that is what I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do me well to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell sign. That way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Like I said, this video is in collaboration with my sister Francherry Beauty here on YouTube. She is making the same video with me, her own opinion about why Nigerians relocate to other countries. So please, after you've watched this video, just help me go to her channel and watch her video, support her, and tell her you're coming from Cherished Olivia, okay? Yes, thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.